Regarding this Revit structure, the core information that we should know in the Revit, and we'll go ahead with a sample project.
I like the way you are teaching, very informative.
Here there are two important things. Creating the columns and beams are simple, but important thing is what? The connections. No? Connections are important. Okay, so I'll select flow. I have to create a rectangle, that's all. I can say finish. Now I'm going to create a footing. For create the footing, I'll select isolated. Okay, so I'll place somewhere here. That's simple, no? Okay, we'll move to the next step. Under structure, I'm ready to place the column. I'll select this intersection. Okay, the column is placed, right? Okay, now we'll come to the creating beams. Now here, I'll create the girder. First, you select the beam, okay? Maybe somewhere here, draw a line. That's all. Now I can see that somewhere here in 3D. I'll select this beam. I'll make it 12 meters. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one, okay? I'll lift upper corner here. So I have all the girders now. So let's create the joist. I'll just create in between. See, in 3D also I can see the column, the girder and the joist. So then I'll try to align, so this with this. It is just going above, no? Kind of intersecting. So in the elevation I want to lower this beam also minus 210 mm. Okay. So what you can do is I can use a line, no? Here. Now the girders, what? Flange top level and the joist flange top levels are same. Right. So I need the connections first, base plate connections. So in this dialog box, I'm going to select the base plate. Scroll down, see clip angle. So this is to connect two beams that is connecting perpendicular. Na? And the first one we loaded is this one, the base plate connection. Right, now let's try that in Revit and I'll select the base plate. So first I want to select the column and select the footing. See, the plate is available. So if you want to control the properties, or if you want to change the plate, you just select the plate. Okay, plate thickness you can change. It's changing now. So this is what, 200. When I click the other cell, here it is updating. And here also I'll make 200. And the other side I'll make 300. And this side also I'll make 300. So I change the plate. If I click here, it will update. And here we have only 4 anchors. No? Here numbers 2. I'll make it 4. See? I'll change this is to 4. So I can control the plate size as well as I can control the number of bolts. This one I'll make 100, half of that. See, that means the size between these two bolts. Right, now these flange and flanges are touching, no? So it's not going inside. We'll select the clip angle. Select the joist first and control key, then the girder, and I'll hit enter. Yeah, done.
It will expand by itself. It will expand the beam by itself.
Yeah, it is expanded by itself. We didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So now, can you observe a clash here? See, it is intersecting, no? The flange of the joist and flange of the girder are intersecting. Okay, to solve this issue, we have something called cope. I'll select the beam and then girder and hit enter. Okay, so now if you check here, see that is got cut, no? The flange of the joist is got cut. So here it is very clear.
To me, everything is good. It's good, very good, very informative.
Okay, okay. Right.
Yeah.
But
I like the way you are teaching, the way you teach in fast track. Even it's a fast track, but I still can get it clearly. So I like the way you're teaching.
Okay, so thank you very much.